How to install Holafly eSIM on your iPhone. So the first step is you just need to make sure to purchase the eSIM. You can visit the Holafly website by simply searching for it, or you can also do this on your mobile device. And make sure to purchase the plan that suits your needs. Then you will gonna receive a QR code via email for the eSIM. So you need to simply head over to your iPhone settings, then go to cellular and click on add cellular plan. Using your iPhone's camera to scan the QR code from the email. If you have QR code on other device, you can scan it directly, or you can also take the screenshot and scan it. Then you're just gonna need to click on the install button and simply click on allow on the activation prompt and continue with the activation. Now it might take few minutes to activate your eSIM, so you need to simply wait for about 3 to 4 minutes, or even it can take about 5 minutes. Then you need to follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone. Select your main SIM card for the default line. As for the secondary, you can choose your newly added eSIM. Then you can simply label your new eSIM after selecting it, whatever you want to go with, and then you can activate your eSIM successfully. So that's the way of how you can install Holafy eSIM on iPhone.